is it?
Noise, police! Open up! No in there! Come on! Open the door!
Look, if you're here, you yell at me some more. Just do it later. I'm still sleeping.
No, you're not. You're making breakfast now. Hi.
Excuse me?
Ah, what do you got? You got a little fleur-de-lis on your chin or something. Is it on your cheek? Is that a new accessory or something?
Oh, it must have been from one of the tiles. I probably fell asleep on it.
Well, I like down myself, but hey, what are you gonna do? So, what else you got in the fridge besides coconut milk?
Are you insane? You are mad at me.
I'm mad at, well, I can be hungry and mad at the same time, right? Can't?
Look, I know that I know I'm really gonna catch on any minute, but I'm still half asleep, so could you fill me in, please?
You were a real pain last night.
Oh, and you met Corey. We're a picnic.
Well, excuse me, but the way I figure it, you deprive me of sleep, any extra, you know, activities at night, that you owe me.
Oh, so you want me to cook?
Yeah, it's not going to be a perfect apology, but it'll start.
Yeah, that's what you think. The only implements I own are hammers, screwdrivers, and can openers.
Good, sounds good. Where's the kitchen?
Is that the room with the refrigerator?
Oh, you're very funny. You're very funny. Are you awake yet?
No.
Come on, right this way.
How do you want your eggs? Hammered or fried?
Oh, you're a funny girl.